Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. Today, may fruit tayo. Dragon fruit! First time ko pala dito try. So, paano kaya ito open? So, ito pala mo kaya open. So, paano ito open, Daddy? Paano ito open?
Sirahin mo na lang.
Lain.
Sirahin mo pa.
Patsa ka. Kaka. Oh, sida. Wait guys. Okay guys, nakita ni Daddy ko. So, paano kaya ito sisirain? Wow, dragon fruit. Bakit yung dragon fruit parang mukhang... Okay, let's have a little open and have a... Parang sirain. Okay guys, wala pa. So guys, yun lang, bye-bye. At guys, bigyan nyo yung part 2. Ikakat ko to, tapos yung face ko. Bye-bye.